In 3 words, what makes this project unique?
Resilient, adaptive.
Grand, innovative.
Collaboration.
Quality, detail. I think wow will be a word.
Our motto in delivering UCL East has always been from day one to work in a partnership together and deliver UCL East as one team.
The project behind us, that is phase 1 of 4, so the site that we stand on, there's 3 more phases.
It is 35,000 square meters of academic space. Together with One Pool Street gives UCL 50,000 square meters of space here on the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park.
We were always aware that this building needs to stand as a strong sculptural object amongst the family of objects in the Olympic Park. It needs that really powerful identity that makes a marker for UCL, but it also needs to work as part of that future master plan with all the urban connections and relationships with future buildings.
It was interesting because at the time we were looking at the design and it's so unique that when you first look at it, you think, oh my God, how am I going to build this?
The building's very much designed around promoting interaction. So the way you experience it internally is a series of what we call vertical neighborhoods. They are clusters of 2 to 3 floors as you move up the building.
I want it to be transparent and porous so that the cross-pollination of ideas between staff and students happens organically and naturally in the space.
The building is quite naked, in a sense. The building is about the spaces, the 3D dimension. Everything is exposed concrete, but it's not an ordinary exposed concrete. We have different textures, colors, and finishes. It's not something you come across in many projects.
All the mechanical electrical service risers were fabricated off-site and dropped in over 4 days, full height of the building.
For me, one of the more exciting parts of it is how the team worked together. We were able to always deliver what we set out to do, and that for me proves exciting.
It's the first building where we have been able to connect transdisciplinary research, innovation, education, and public engagement all under one single roof.
There was an open and collaborative discussion process during the design phase of the building. There are many of us from all the disciplines I think that are going to be in the building that were a part of it. Having the input into the design and then seeing that input realised will naturally make you more attached to a building.
I'm quite excited that actually the 2 first floors of this building will be open to the public, because for us researchers it's really important to test our research with the local community and get feedback from what we're doing. It's really nice to have actually these 2 communities coming together. So the academic world, the society, but also I think a part of businesses, so the local businesses.
Marshgate means quite a lot in the sense that I started my journey at Mace here. I got to work with so many different people from UCL, the students, the client. For a first project, it's pretty insane.
There's a proud moment when you enter the building and you see the lobby and you've been part of making this a reality.
Just knowing how much and how many people you're going to be impacting.
It is a majestic building with the space and facilities to be able to contribute to solving some of the most pressing global challenges related to sustainability, climate change, technology transformation, health and well-being, but equally equity and cultural understanding. It has been really an incredible privilege to have Mace building Marshgate. The ambition being shared, the vision being shared for what we wanted to achieve. We have a huge respect for Mace, all the people who have been involved, and we owe them a huge thanks.